So I've come across a paradox in set theory called Russell's paradox, something generated by Bertrand Russell, I think in 1901 or something. And I'm kind of blasé about this paradox because I'm thinking, why does it matter? Why is it such a big deal? It's about set theory, talking about a set of all sets that do not contain a set or something like that. The bottom line is it generates a contradiction and it can't be escaped, this contradiction. What I'm wondering is, what does it matter if a rule breaks the paradox, breaks the rule generated by Russell? In other words, I don't think it's a big deal if there is a certain paradox. When the paradox is explicable, is understandable, I don't see why it's such a big deal. So I'm wondering, why does Russell's paradox matter? What does it matter if there's an exception to a rule when there can be no exception to a rule? Even though it is a problem, the question is, so what if there's an exception to the rule when there shouldn't be an exception to the rule? Although it's a shame that there's an exception, I don't think it matters that there's an exception. I don't know why we're so fussed about it, to call it Russell's paradox. I think we should just let it go and not be too concerned about it. I'm wondering why set theory is such a big deal in general, and this particular paradox, I don't think it matters very much. So I think an odd exception like this, I think is fine, and we should be able to handle it.